let's learn partial variation. When you hear the word partial variation, what does it mean? This is a type of variation which involves two variables and two constants, where one of the constants is partly constant and one of the variables varies partly as the other variable. Now, if we have y to be partly constant and partly varies as x, how do we interpret that? If y is partly constant and partly varies as x, how do we interpret that? We write y equals c plus mx. Now this c plus mx here, what does it mean? This c here is the partial constant, while this m here is the constant of variation for this x. So let's put that down, where c is the partial constant. And that's what partial variation means and it's all about. Thank you.